na.
Tingin dito, Peng.
Parang yung sa Moana. Go! Dali! He's waiting for you! He's waiting for you. Go! Oh.
Yes!
Dali, go! I'm here, Pali! Wee! Ande, sarap na umanisol. They gonna hurt you. Oh, you can do it! Unjo nga umani kay Dario, ande! Unjo nga! Pali! Yung itsura ng mukha. Go! Walang tama.
Alam ko, nakakaumiyak kanina pa. Nagtitimbang siya.
Hello. Ang bilis! Wait! Ano yan? A bird's house! That's a bird's house! That's a bird's house! Oh, go, go, go! Go! Here. I'm here! I'm here, Pali! Honey, let's go! Yeah! Go! 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 Whee! Do it! Ate, dalawa pong tinapa. Unjo nga!
bumili
Sa 7-Eleven masarap eh.
Hindi kami bumili dun eh. Doon kami bumili sa likod.
Hindi masarap. Magkano to lahat?
For 200.
Ka na parang soda.
Princess, bigyan na tayong nag-iinom.
Ito yung puti.
Pero dabawin nyo. Maganda yung dabawin nyo.
Alam mo, Dudong,
Gusto niya pa yung pinakamaganda.
yung dalawang ito ba? Ganon, ligaw ng araw.
Oo.
Mas masarap mga ano, ilongga.
Tapos yung ligaw nga dati, gano'n, di ba? Mag-araw pa, mag-sisibak ka pa lang.
Snowboard ko na rin. Kuya,
Ano masasama sa malikok niya?
Bilis.
kami to.
Hawak pa rin yung alak eh.
Ron, tanggalin mo buko ron. Nalaylay, ay nalaylay. Yun yung pala pa ron. Ano sa wire?
Si Ronnie pa yun ito.
Malakas yan si Ronnie.
Palabok yan eh. Tara yun. Nabubukas. About that. You're not eating that, di ba?
I don't want that, okay?
This one? You want to eat this? Okay.
It's lunch first.
Yung bibingka o kaya. Dapat binigay niya na, hindi niya nang tala kakain.
Iluwa! You want to eat with me? Why? Kunjong.
I don't like to eat that. Please. What are you trying to show?
Look at that, Reese. Mm. Hi. What this?
Yep.
Bibingka.
Yep.
Hindi mo mga nangunguya.
Nakain ko na ito eh.
Bibingka.
Ayaw mo magbangka?
Walang manggabi. Asan yung mangga? May mangga ba?
Saan?
Ang sabi mo? Ayaw
Sa
mo
tayo may mayroong mangga. Nakabilis mo.
layo. Anymore. Diba you don't want me anymore? Just find another mom.
No.
Why? Why?
I still want you.
Why you want me? You said you want another mom.
No.
You don't need me anymore. What? You need me? Why? Why do you
Because
need
you're
me?
so pretty.
I'm not pretty. Let's find another pretty mom.
No.
You go outside and you will find many mom.
No.
Why? You said you want to slap me. You will tell your dad to slap me. You told me ako. Oh, you call your dad.
No.
Veronica, he will get you.
No.
And you go to the dining book together.
No.
I stay in the Philippines.
No.
Why? You don't want to go to the dining book?
I
Why?
want you.
Why you want me?
Because I want you.
Want to sleep?
I
want to sleep?
you.
According to the news agency Yonhap, the crash is believed to have been caused by
Korea,
contact
South
birds
Korea.
malfunctioning landing gear as the plane attempted to land at the airport in the country's southwest. Yonhap adds that there were 175 passengers and 6 crew members on board. A photo shows a veil section of the jet engulfed in flames on what appeared to be the side of the runway. Firefighters and emergency vehicles nearby. Active
Mogi!
some locals for the mobilization of resources to save
Ado.
passengers.
Sabi ko sana sa'yo tubig. Isa lang. Yung mura lang dyan, ma. Hoy! Gagi. Ubus sila. Dun sila. Bibili dapat. Eh wala, ubos na yun. Sabi ko ubos na, ubos na. Hindi na sila nakabili.
Ay, bilis na ano.
Ilang piraso po dito?
Ano to?
Piraso po yung
Ano to? Di ba dat may ilaw yan? Gaya ng ano, nagaya sa Tayog, yung ganito. Alas 12 ng tanghali. Alas 12 ng tanghali. 12 ng ano.
Well,
Oo. Pala dito tayo kumain.
sisig burger.
Oo, ay, ewan ko.
Ito, ano po? Busog na ako.
Ang shawarma.
Ito, ito.
Shawarma. Ha?
Fries.
Ayun! Corn dog kaya? Ay no, corn dog. Ito po. Thank you. Sarang. Go.
Pag ano, pag
Hoy, binablurred ko.
kami pumunta dito pag Pasko tsaka New Year. Dito kami lagi sa plaza.
Dalawa na kayo naka-blurred. Dati sila nanay, tsaka si tatay.
Pangit daw ng pangit ng mga kapitbahay.
Ang gagi, nakakatakot dyan. Promise.
Pupunta sa cemetery.
Wala akong ano dun eh, wala akong matinong tulog. Ano-ano nakikita ko pag dun ako natutulog. Kaya ayoko sumama nun eh. Napipilitan lang ako sumama.
Iko. Macdo.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Barbecue. Iko like there's iko mashi so barbecue. French fries.
Pagalis namin, patay na rin yung ilaw sa taas.
At 10 na eh.